Recording in progress.
Assalamu-Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, dear students, today we will read the last chapter of the Norani Quaida, ending of the rules. So, if the noon sakin and tanween is followed by yarmalun, so these letters are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Okay, if noon sakin and tanween is followed by yarmalun letters, we will do gunna with idgham in all letters, in all these letters except ra and mim, where only idgham will be done. So in the ra and the mim only idgham will be done, and in the ya, lam, waw, noon we will do gunna also and idgham also. Idgham mean to uh, click the letters. I mean implosive the letters. You can say diphthong. Okay, diphthong. So for example, look at this. This is a ya, ya, and before ya, the tanween come. So we connect ra with the ya and sharrai yara, sharrai yara. We will do idgham, sharrai, rai. Okay, and the next one, this one. This is the example of the idgham, example of the ra. Noon sakin here, and after the noon sakin, ra come from the letters of your maloon. So we will do idgham. Idgham mean merge, and mim ra kasra mir. We will not say min rabbika. We will say mir rabbika. Mim ra kasra mir. And this is an example of the gunna and idgham. So noon sakin come, and after the noon sakin, ya fatha come, ya from the ermalun letters. So we connect mim with the ya, mim ya fatha may, ya fatha ya fa may ya. So I am doing the gunna also and the idgham also. This one, the tanween come, and the tanween, before the tanween, after tanween, ya fatha come. So we connect with the ta, ya to fatha, tai, miqatai. Okay. Okay. Next one. Whenever noon sakin and tanween is followed by ba, it will be converted into meme and a gunna will be done. So the example of this, let me show you. Look at this. This is a noon sakin, and no, sorry, this is not. Yes, whenever noon sakin and tanween is followed by the ba, it will be converted into meme. So this ba will be converted into the meme. Look at this. Yes. So after the noon sakin, the ba come. So we will convert the noon into the meme. So meme fatha mam bakhila. Okay. We will convert noon sakin or tanween into the meme, and this is the example of noon sakin, and this is the example of tanween. So ain, after tanween the ba come, so that's why we connect this, we convert this tanween into a meme. So ain Mim to fatha am. Ba nun kasra bin. La nasfa am bin nasiya. Bidam dal nun mim fatha dam. Ba kasra bi. Bidam bihim. Okay. Kira mim barara mim. I am not saying min. I am saying mim because ba come. So we convert the min sound into the meme sound. Okay, with the meme. Kiramim. Okay, next rule is the when meme sakin is followed by ba or meme, we will do gunna on meme sakin. Okay, when the meme sakin is followed by ba or meme, we will do gunna. So look at this meme sakin. So we will do gunna also, and so ba meme to kasra min, but after the meme the ba come. So that's why we will do gunna on the meme sakin. And look at this. Tarumi him meme sakin, and we will do gunna on the meme sakin. Tarumi him. Okay. So inshallah guys, we will start the Quran in the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.